Calais.
Keep it lit.
Pretty bitch music. Big mama, I'm a shit.
Hey guys, it's your girl Crystal. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be done by my sister, and it's all about this 4x4 lace kinky curly wig. If you would love to see how she turns into this baddie, stick around. So my phone died during the installation process, but it was real simple. All she used was some boho glue to stick down the lace. So right now she is showing you how she is leaking down those baby edges. And for the products that she is using, it's just some real cheap products that you can find at your beauty store. It's just got to be. And some Loader Body Mousse. That's all you're going to need. She did use a spray bottle with just some water and conditioner. It could be any conditioner of your choice. This wig was bought through Amazon through a company called Brianna's Hair. This wig is a 4x4 lace closure wig. It is a kinky curly style. Very, very soft and packaged very well. Very minimal shedding for this here. For those of you who are interested in purchasing the unit, the link and information for the hair will be down in the description box below. So once you're done with your edges, you want to tie it down with a head tie or some wraparound. Ensure that you're tying it real tight so it can lay real flat and look blended and melted to your skin.